What's up, crypto family? Hope you guys are having a great morning, man. Like what I said yesterday, man, I just need 1M. I just need 1M so I can fully commit myself to crypto, man. You know what I'm saying? Bills paid, everything else paid, and just, fully dive into this new trenches, right? We've been in the trenches because we already know that down the digital assets that we hold, Dogelon Mars, is about to go crazy. But as again, let me get into this.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
I see right now. Shout out to Ash Crypto. He says Banca Sella, Italy's second oldest bank, estimated 1886, now to offer Bitcoin trading to over 1.3 million customers. Global adoption continues. Y'all better stop playing these games. Like, it's already up in the air. I'm just like you guys. Like, that's why I said I need that 1M. I just need 1M. And the rest, I'm gonna let it grow because I'm sitting back. And I know most of you guys need that M right now. I know most of y'all need that M. I know an M may not be a lot, but right now it would be great Gucci for me right now. You know what I'm saying? Pay the house off, pay what I need to pay so I could be able to kick it and fully adopt into this crypto space. You understand? But these banks all around the world is getting bullish on crypto, on digital assets. I've been getting emails before I even get deeper into the video. I've been getting emails. Shout out to everybody who's emailing me. But another thing too, I'm not going to click on nobody link. I'm just gonna let you guys know that right now. That's how hackers get you. So I ain't clicking on nobody link. If there's something that you want to go ahead and send me or whatnot, I do need to get a PO box. A lot of people have been wanting to send me some items or whatnot, and I appreciate it. But give me some time. I'm gonna get a PO box so you guys can go ahead and send it, and I'll show you our merchandise or whatever. I appreciate that. But again, I'm nice, but I'm not nice. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, if you see me in the public or whatnot, stand from a distance, like, oh, Crypto Brown. I'm like, okay, let me get a visual of you. And I'll be like, all right, okay, I know who you is. You understand? But just want to make that clear because you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of crazy people out nowadays. They'll just run up on you and, I don't know what you may be on. You know where I'm coming from? But let's get back to the video. So as you guys see Justin, all the forced selling of Bitcoin is behind us. Bitcoin really hits its stride here. So we're buyers, says Vanek, head of digital assets. Not with him saying that, you know what I'm saying? They're saying Bitcoin selling is behind them. Now, honestly, we can see that in the markets with certain institutions that they have not sold their Bitcoins. But obviously, it just don't make sense why people are selling Bitcoin at 50 grand. Now, they could be selling it because, they need the funds and they don't care that they took a loss because right now they're in a crazy situation right now. But this is what pressure builds diamonds. And right now, we are beautiful diamonds right now that cannot be crushed. Okay, I'm gonna play this video right quick.
How do you explain that disconnect between what gold's doing right now and the way that Bitcoin's been acting over the last couple of months?
Yeah, so a few factors are at play. One is the unwind of various carry trades and growth, which has been struggling a little bit. And when you look at Bitcoin's correlation with the NASDAQ, it's at a 2-year high. It's well below the highs that we had in kind of late 2022, but it's a 2-year high. The second reason is there are forced sellers in the market. the German government has sold all of its Bitcoin, $2 billion worth. The US government is selling Silk Road related coins. There are two major bankruptcies where creditors have just been paid out. That's Mt. Gox and Genesis. So with all this forced selling behind us, and this is a typical seasonal pattern where Bitcoin tends to struggle in the kind of 1 to 3 months after the halving, which was in April, and right pre-election, as the market comes to grips with whatever candidate wins, we're in for 4 more years of reckless fiscal policy. The history is that Bitcoin really hits its stride at that point. So we're buyers here. We think it recovers.
So can you connect the dots for us right now?
Hold on, family. I know you guys are watching the video, but I just can't. I don't know what's on this man's face. I don't know if he got hit or whatnot. I know this is off topic, but it's kind of crazy. I don't know, what's wrong with him. You know what I'm saying? He's supposed to be the CEO, so I don't know. He may got in an altercation. Excuse me. I don't know. Some little odd or why he got that bruise on his face out of public, talking on CNBC. But we'll get back to the video.
Given everything you've said, the AI trade on this particular move is linked to the power usage and the conversion factor and how to actually make that work. I would argue if you look at a stock like NextEra Energy on the utility side, that has been a derivative AI play as well on this. How do you connect those dots simply about the AI trade versus the Bitcoin miners?
The data center companies are trading at north of 30 times, $30 million per megawatt of electrical capacity that they control, $30 million. The Bitcoin miners are trading at $3 million, right? So now it's not a complete one-for-one transition. They need to find customers. They need to buy the GPUs or have someone else buy the GPUs and install them. But there is an enormous arbitrage. And the companies that have been most aggressive on this year to date, Core Scientific, TeraWulf, Iris Energy, those are the stocks that have outperformed. We just had another one after the bell at 4 p.m. today, BTBT, $700 million AI deal. Our hunch is that as more of these Bitcoin miners make these announcements, those will be the stocks that outperform because it brings their cost of capital down.
All right. It's an interesting trade for sure. Matthew, thank you very much for bringing that to us here.
I heard them. So they're saying with the whole selling with the Silk Road, that's where having the prices going up and down. But, I just really do believe that, we're at the pinnacle right now, whereas things are going to shift crazy. And then I also see comments where people are saying, like, Crypto Brown, you be saying, like, this is the last chance, this and this. Like, you damn right. This can be the last chance. Don't you guys see what's happening right now? Don't you guys see the information I'm putting out to you guys? Not just that. Y'all have X. Y'all have CNN. Y'all got all these other outlets, media outlets, where you're seeing these information. Like, we wasn't seeing this type of information in 2020. 2019, 2018, it start going forward in 2021 and up. As you guys see, Japanese public company MetaPlanet buys another $500 million worth of Bitcoin. Now, you guys are probably saying, well, Crypto Brown, well, where does all of this has to do with Dogelon Mars? Well, a lot. Because with the world adopting to cryptocurrency and the top coins is meme coins as of, it's like the trend. It's for the new Gen Zers, and they like memes because they see that they can make a low shit ton of money off of meme coins than just buying one Bitcoin. Yeah, buying one Bitcoin, yeah, it's great for the long term, whereas, it will shoot up higher in price and, and not a lot of people are able to have Bitcoin. So there's nothing wrong with that. But with Dogelon Mars, yes, it's going to be valuable as well. But scarcity, it will, I say, probably in the next 10 to 15 years, it will be very scarce for Dogelon Mars, due to the Rufus chain, with them burning Dogelon Mars as gas fees. So you guys see that right there. Progress on disclosure notice concerning loan and purchase of Bitcoin. So basically, they bought 57 Bitcoins. Is it 57,000 or just 57? 57 Bitcoins. For around $8.7 million. Okay, per Bitcoin, as what they have in yen. All right. Shout out to Ash Crypto. He says 1 billion USDT just minted at the Tether Treasury. Pump is incoming. 1 billion USDT. So listen, man. The Treasury will not be not just printing, but minting so much USDT for no reason. They know a major pump is on its way, but this is going to shake out a lot of people. Don't get me wrong. You know, like what I said, I just need a cool million. So if you guys are able to, you know, get you a cool million right quick and just leave the rest, go at it. Go at it. As you guys see, BlackRock ETF saw $93 million in inflows yesterday. They now hold over 350,000 Bitcoins. But you know what? We hold over 1 billion tokens of Dogelon Mars. Over 1 billion tokens. If you guys look at Bonk, well, just give me an example. I'm not promoting no Bonk, but I'm giving you an example. 7 million tokens of Bonk. You got to spend about what, $150 something dollars? $157? Do the math. You see where I'm coming from? Man, this is going to be major, man. It's going to be major. As you guys see, Dubai court ruling validates crypto as a salary payment method. They started this in 2020. So 2021, they were starting doing that in the United States, California, Wyoming, and some other states where people were getting paid in crypto for their paychecks. As you guys see with Da Vinci Jeremy, he said he told everyone about Bitcoin when it was under $1. And I remember getting 750 dislikes and my video was removed from YouTube. This is the same about Dogelon Mars. I'm telling you guys, it's way below a penny. And a lot of people are tripping over it. A lot of people ask me predictions. A lot of people ask me, what could a portfolio be? How? Come on, man. I'm a retail investor just like you guys, but I'm just heavily invested in Dogelon Mars, and I believe we have a major future in front of us. A lot of people scared, but I'm not scared, man. 85 million USDT just sent to Bitfinance. Whales are buying. Hey, shout out to Envish Reddy. He says, I have started to buy Elon in 2021. Now currently hold 3 wallets. The first wallet, when I started, has at present just over 100 billion tokens, and the rest 2. As you guys see right here, 108 billion tokens. So shout out to him, man. Like, there's people out here who are really accumulating these bags, man. Stop playing. Stop playing. While everybody else crying, there's people out here who's really accumulating. Shout out to Dogelon, mean Lord. He says, they will remember this day. As you guys see, Rufus L2. You got the burning transaction. I can't really play it, but the burning mechanism and the metaverse gang. So shout out to everybody who been, you know, tapped in and locked in with us, man. Because we here for generational wealth, not just these little $100,000, $200,000. Bitcoin sitting at 60 grand, Ethereum sitting at 2,600, Solana sitting at 145, and Dogelon Mars is sitting at 1379, up 2.17%. Can this rally continue? So once again, I appreciate you guys tapping in, locking in with Crypto Brown. If you're not locked in, you better lock in with me, because at the end of the day, investing is not supposed to be stressing. I'm out.